What's going on, guys? So yesterday we left off with me rounding off the bolts to the throttle body. So I had to take a quick emergency trip out to a buddy of mine over at a local dealership. He actually had an extra plenum for sale, so I went ahead and picked that up off of him. He actually took mine. He's gonna go ahead and get it ported while we're at it, so I'll get that from him next week. But at least I have a plenum now on the car with the new throttle body that I'm able to at least, get everything dyno today. So today's plan is to finish up the rest of the throttle body and intake setup, and then from there, let's see, I've got to be at that shop later today for the dyno tune. We are going to throw on the GTR injectors today, so hopefully we'll get everything dialed in for that. And then from there, should be rocking and rolling and be able to get hooked up with E85. So I would have finished this last night, but my phone died. And when your phone dies and you don't have a flashlight on you, which I should probably go ahead and invest in a flashlight. Definitely need to get a flashlight, but that is the new throttle body there with the new plenum. I just have to finish bolting it all in. And then we should be rocking and rolling and good to go. All right, guys, here we go. Moment of truth. Everything's back on. Everything looks tight. Everything looks good. I hope this works. So, oh God, moment of truth. Everything sounds good so far.
2 hours later.
We went ahead and threw some GTR injectors on here. Everything clipped into the stock fuel rail, which is sweet. That'll be upgraded later on, but for today, that'll work.
Look at the old injectors. Look at how much posits on it.
Really? They're that ugly? That bad?
This is just dust and stuff right here on the sides.
Ooh.
But insides they're not bad.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and throw it back on. I'm super sweaty because I've been in the shop working with everyone, trying to just get this done and everything, but should just set right there. All right, whew, sweaty. All right, we are done. Everything is on there the way it needs to be. Look how pretty that looks.
It took us 2 hours.
Like 2 hours, you say? Just about?
We started at 5:30.
Okay.
It's 7:44.
Okay. Yeah, so it's not too bad. And that's to, of course, break it down, get the new injectors on there, and then throw everything back together. So, yeah, not bad. It's done. Hopefully, everything runs according to plan. So, oh God, let's see what we score here. All right, so what are you guessing on horsepower?
3%. You're looking at maybe 10, maybe 15 at most. You said you made 3.
I made 267 at Z Fever. I was thinking like 280 is what it would get, maybe. Torque? Ooh, that's a lot of torque, yeah. We're just do one final run, see how she dials down and everything. It's making a little less power than last time, but the torque curve looks so much better. So let's see how she does. Let's see how she did. Oh, okay. Not bad at all. That's so close. All right. Better torque. I like that. I like that. Alright, so we're still at it. We pulled a little bit of timing out of the engine. It actually ended up making a little more horsepower, which is awesome. But right now, it's sitting right about where she was previously. So it's healthy, it's running right, it's running good. The E85 is not necessarily giving it more power, but that's okay. It's still a naturally aspirated engine, and quite frankly, I only need to run it so that we can run the nitrous system on it, which we'll be getting that installed here shortly. So, successful night. I'm really happy with how this car came out and everything. Everything was good on it, and yeah, should be all set and good to go. So we're gonna do one last run on it just to kind of get an idea of where she is, and then should be all set from there. How'd he do?
283.
Two what?
Yeah.
How much?
283.
Horsepower?
Yeah.
Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Oh.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy. But see, the torque is lower now because I started the run later. This is more normal.
Oh man. This one real quick. So we're just comparing my map versus Lush's Z34s.
This is yours.
I'm at 283.
This is Zach's.
He's at 305.
You see how the red, you're holding it right there?
Dude, so we're holding it all
right
throughout.
there, that's where it gets you. And then as soon as it leaves that, like,
oh,
it could be anybody's race. 10 minutes, 35.
Zach, I'm coming for you. Coming for you, Zach. We're gonna take you out. The little DE that could is coming for you. And it's coming quick.